Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to resize collection titles in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. The Themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In Filter Files, search for Base CSS. You'll see a file named Base CSS. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the end, you'll see a blank line. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link to this page is in the description, along with the code we'll be using. Let's go to the copy button. Clicking will copy the code below. Now let's go back to Shopify and paste our code in the blank line. After pasting, to change the collection page title size, find the 25 pixel value and change it as desired. For smaller text, use less than 25. For larger, use more than 25. I'll leave it at 25 for this example. After setting the size, click Save in the top right. After clicking, changes are saved successfully. Now, any collection page you visit will show the updated title size. A value below 25 makes it smaller, above 25 makes it larger. Just choose the size you want. I hope this video helped. Bye.